You prepare for the trading day, but honestly, you're not confident you're going to make money. You're not confident when in a trade that you're going to make money. You feel that if you were more confident, then this would allow you to break through as a trader. How great would it feel to trade each day knowing that your trading system will work? Well, in this video, we share a story of how one of our traders became truly confident and exactly how you can become a confident trader as well. Hi, I'm Mike Bellafiore, Managing Partner of SME Capital, a proprietary trading firm located in Midtown Manhattan. And I'm also the author of the trading classic, One Good Trade, and the playbook. Click our subscribe button so you don't miss any of the trading videos that we're producing for the trading community. What we're going to share in this video is how to build your trading confidence. You're also going to learn how one trader on our desk did exactly this, the strategy that we use daily to build confidence, how we ensure that it remains, and how to continue building your confidence. Stick around and you're going to learn how to start each trading session knowing that you can make money. If you want to learn 3 more real-world setups that our traders use, including the simple setup that we teach all of our new traders, and the setup that turned one of our traders into a 7-figure big money earner, just go ahead and click the link to sign up for free right now, and you're seeing that in the upper right-hand corner of your screen. And don't worry, you can go ahead and click it. You won't actually lose your spot in the video. You'll be able to come right back to it. You're going to learn more in a couple of hours from this trading workshop than from years of online education. So you prepare for the trading day, and honestly, you're not confident that you're going to make money. With each trade, you're not sure you're going to make money. With your longs, you're not sure you're going to make money. With your shorts, you're not sure you're going to make money. You're not sure if you should be holding your winners longer. You're not sure if you should allow your losing trades more room. You're not sure if you should not be making some trades that you are. You're not sure if you should be cutting your losing trades quicker. Well, you get the point. You are not sure. You are not confident as a trader. You feel that if you were just confident, then you would break out as a trader. You would then be able to experience what being one of those consistently profitable traders is all about. How great would that be? Let me tell you a story of a very confident, or so he said, trader, and how he became truly confident, and how you can become truly confident as a trader. So Trader was floundering with our firm. Overall, he was consistently losing money, but he had some really big wins, some really big trades in his work. Trader was a confident person overall. He kept saying he was confident his results would improve if he just took his trades with his niche. But should he have been confident? And remember, I'm talking about a very talented person, someone who has real ability to become an elite trader. Honestly, someone who I expect to be a 7-figure trader at the firm next year. Well, the answer is no. No, he should not have been confident. Not at that point. He was consistently losing money overall. Thinking confidently was not going to help him win. Trader needed to find a solution and to change to start winning. So I suggested he start keeping really good trading stats. We import all of our trades into TraderView. We tag our trades and then are provided stats on the efficacy of each trade and much more. I suggested Trader meet with Dr. Steenbarger to go over his stats. Hey, it certainly helps to have the best trading coach in the country working with your traders. And Dr. Steenbarger found the solution to this trader's trading from his trading stats. And then Trader stopped doing that which was causing all this negative P&L. I spoke with Trader today after he had met with Dr. Steenbarger, after they had done their work together. He was very confident. Specifically, his win rate in his trades was 89%, up from 70%. Specifically, his losing trades were held for shorter duration. Specifically, Trader saw that his best trades were not scalps, but trades to hold. Trader has made over $100,000 in P&L in less than a month. Trader will continue to keep detailed trading stats and meet with Dr. Steenbarger to ensure that his edge is still present and improve from here. But what an amazing place from which to improve as a trader. From here, we discussed 3 options. Don't change anything. Keep doing exactly what you're doing. Option 2, scale up by 20 to 30%. Option 3, open up a new account for new trades to experiment with and measure those trades. Did I mention Trader was very confident? He should be. He earned the right to be. The stats verify that his trading has edge. The stats don't lie. The data is crystal clear. He's a trader with edge. No, he's a confident trader with edge. So let's say you're a new trader or developing trader and you don't yet have edge. And you would not have edge if we measured all your trades, and if we measured all their trades, they wouldn't show profitability. How would we go about solving that on our trading desk with new hires? How can you solve that as a new trader? We'll try this. Experiment with trading setups with edge. Find traders who have edge, learn, experiment with, and measure results with those strategies. On our desk, we teach new hire strategies being used by our successful traders on our desk. We teach some of that in SMB DNA at SMB Training, our education arm. You can learn more about it in this free webinar. You'll see a link right here that also teaches 3 setups from our prop desk. Traders then experiment and measure their success with these trades. The ones they trade with edge, they build upon. The ones that they don't trade with edge, they discard. True confidence for your trading is trading and trades proven through well-kept trading stats to have an edge for you. If you're not yet trading with edge, think of the trader above. Think of solutions that you can make to your trading, because in time, you can be trading with edge. You can be a trader who trades with confidence. So in summary, keep great trading stats. Tag, import, and measure all of your trades. Learn strategies from traders trading with edge. Experiment with these strategies and measure your results. Build your trading around the measured trades that work best for you. Go ahead and click our subscribe button so you don't miss any of our trading videos produced for the trading community. And please add your feedback in the comment section for what videos you'd like for us to produce next and what you found helpful from this video. From all of us at SMB, trade well.